Sub-Inspector of Schools is a very prestigious job. The latest West Bengal Public Service Commission School SI syllabus has not been released yet, but we have prepared a tentative or expected WBPSC SI of school syllabus and exam pattern so that you may take that as a guideline. But please remember that the actual WB Sub-Inspector of School syllabus may be different and may be released at a later time by WBPSC if they decide to conduct recruitment test or screening exam. If the authority conducted a written test, then the first phase of WBPSC Sub-Inspector of Schools selection process will be the screening test. Later, the authority will conduct an interview or personality test among the written test qualified contenders. The standard of questions on education may be equivalent to that of B.Ed exam. General studies questions may be asked on matters of common experience and current events. Mathematics questions may be equivalent to that of Madhyamik examination of the WBPSC board. Now, eligibility criteria. The minimum educational qualification is graduation with minimum 50% marks and B.Ed or a bachelor degree in teaching or education from a recognized university. One must have knowledge of Bengali or Nepali as a spoken and written purpose. If you have some teaching experience in schools, then it will be beneficial for you in the interview process. Having the ability to organize extracurricular activities in schools and any other places is also an addition to the qualification. The upper age limit is 36 years. In the screening test, there will be 25 questions with 50 marks from general studies and current affairs, 25 questions with 50 marks in arithmetic and 50 questions from education. The total time is 90 minutes. There must be cut-off marks, but it varies year to year. For exam in education, the standard of questions on education will be equivalent to that of B.Ed examination. In arithmetic, you have to practice simplification, average, percentage, time and work, area, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, time and speed, investment, HCF, LCM, problem on edges, bar graph, pictorial graph, pie chart. Data interpretation is the selection which have to be focused. In general studies, you have to read Indian current events, general science, general knowledge. Focus will be mainly on current affairs of national and international news, important dates, current science, technology, sports and culture. First of all, to understand the exam pattern and question pattern, must buy previous year question paper book or go and search Google to find previous year question. Must solve last 3 years, that is 2014, 15 and 18 question paper. Next, to clear theoretical concept of education part, must read all your B.Ed textbooks. You must have to read Childhood and Growing Up, Learning and Teaching, Contemporary India and Education, Assessment for Learning, Creating an Inclusive School. All these papers are available in both Bengali and English version from Aheli and Rita publication. You can also enrich your knowledge by reading Educational Psychology by S.K. Mongol, Educational Psychology by J.C. Agarwal, Theory and Principles of Education by J.C. Agarwal, Philosophical Foundations of Education by J.C. Agarwal, Modern Indian Education by J.C. Agarwal, or Educational Technology by J.C. Agarwal, Educational Management Supervision School Organization from Nilkamal publication, Teacher Education by Radha Mohan. Just go and simply try to read it. You must read in details the National Policy on Education 1986, National Education Policy 2020, National Curriculum Framework, Right to Education Act in depth. This will definitely help you to answer 2 to 4 questions in education part. For practicing or mock test purpose, you can buy Educational Psychology and Pedagogy from Kiran publication, Selective MCQ questions from NTA UGC NET Set Paper 1 Teaching and Research Aptitude by Pearson publication, Solve Education UGC NET Previous Year Question Paper from R. Gupta publication or Kiran publication. All these books also includes complete answers with solutions. If you have any problem in any area of mathematics, just go and clear your concept from West Bengal board or CBSE, NCERT or ICSE board class 7, 8, 9, 10 textbooks. All these books provide a very good understanding of concepts, strengthen your base, and supplement your learning with numerous practice problems. In competitive exam, it is vital to learn various short tricks and tips to reach the answer speedily. Books by Subir Das, Competitive Mathematics Challengers from Chhaya Prakashani, Quantitative Aptitude book by Dr. R.S. Agarwal from Eschand Publication. All these books are also available in Bengali and English version. SSC Mathematics from Kiran Publication, SSC Mathematics for Pearson Publication and Quantitative Aptitude from Pearson Publication can help you to improve your calculation speed and accuracy with the help of certain methods or procedure. Dr. R.S. Agarwal's Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning from Eschand Publication and Shortcuts in Reasoning from Disha Publication are most popular mathematics books for competitive exams. General knowledge plays an important role in SI of schools or PGT or TGT exams. This is because GK helps in growing at personal and at an academic level. So for this, it is highly recommended to read CBSC or ICSE or West Bengal Board class 8 to 10 biology, physics or chemistry textbooks. Also, you can choose CBSC all-in-one science and social science books from Arihant Publications. All these books will also serve your purpose. For environmental studies, you can select anyone from Poribesh by Dr. Anish Chattopadhyay, Environment and Ecology by Boisali Anand from McGraw-Hill Publication and Environment for UPSC and State Civil Service Examination book. Kormokhetro, Jibika Dishari, Kaj Career, Kormosongstans are weekly papers and these papers will really help you for practicing GK, current affairs, English, maths and other issues. Achievers, Pesha Probesh, Jubo Kristi are best monthly magazine available in Bengali for GK, current affairs, English, math and other issues. You can also choose any publications from Mahindra Publication, Arihant Publication, Disha Publication, Kiran Publication, Jojana Publication for current affairs knowledge and practicing GK, math, English and other issues. Newspaper reading for competitive exam is an art. Newspapers are the best source of reliable information on current affairs. They are easy to access and nowadays they are pocket friendly too. This source of media has daily availability and comes from a fact-checked background. Some of the most popular papers you can follow are The Hindu, The Indian Express, The Times of India, The Statesman or The Telegraph. Now the choice is yours which paper you will follow. Now best app for exam preparation. Now in my opinion at present time you have to be tech savvy. So you are highly suggested to install and use some very useful apps like InShort, Bangla to English Dictionary, Oxford Dictionary of English, Library Genesis, Z Library, PDF Drive. All these sites are very popular for PDF book download. You can also use SlideShare for downloading PPT files. Next, you can also use Adobe Scan, Image to PDF app, Notes app, and Digital Wellbeing. Digital Wellbeing will guide you and help you to identify how much time you are wasting in social media. Must learn the applications of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So these are all the books for sub-inspector of school exam and that will help you to top to your game. Don't forget to comment which book you like or prefer for your upcoming examination. I hope this discussion may help you for your future preparation. Thank you.